25 normal verbs and their advanced equivalents to describe food. 1. Normal, eat. Advanced, devour. 2. Normal, cook. Advanced, prepare. 3. Normal, taste. Advanced, savor. 4. Normal, drink. Advanced, sip. 5. Normal, bake. Advanced, roast. 6. Normal, fry. Advanced, sauté. 7. Normal, chew. Advanced, masticate. 8. Normal, swallow. Advanced, ingest. 9. Normal, snack. Advanced, nibble. 10. Normal, grill. Advanced, charbroil. 11. Normal, season. Advanced, enhance. 12. Normal, boil. Advanced, simmer. 13. Normal, stir. Advanced, agitate. 14. Normal, pour. Advanced, decant. 15. Normal, slice. Advanced, carve. 16. Normal, blend. Advanced, puree. 17. Normal, garnish. Advanced, adorn. 18. Normal, steam. Advanced, vaporize. 19. Normal, whisk. Advanced, beat. 20. Normal, dip. Advanced, immerse. 21. Normal, spread. Advanced, smear. 22. Normal, grate. Advanced, shred. 23. Normal, melt. Advanced, dissolve. 24. Normal, crush. Advanced, pulverize. 25. Normal, sprinkle. Advanced, dust. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!